So this quick video just looks at ways you can give feedback on any assignments you've created. So in my class, I can click on assignments here, and the A just shows me there's a different assignment or a different quiz. So for this particular piece of work, I can see that hovering over that 7 out of the kids have done it. And here's a list of students in the class. And so I can see really quickly the students that have done it. And if I click on view submission, it takes me through to kind of like a grading page, and that gives me the chance to give feedback. The students can submit a variety of different pieces of work. So they can submit a PDF of their work, a Word document of their work. And what it will do is this thing called Crocodoc, which is this sort of viewer here, it'll allow you to comment on top of the document. And then students can see this and download this. So if the students are finished, they can download it here. Students can also upload a Google Doc as well. And if I can jump up here, I can jump between the students. So when a student uploads a Google Doc, you get a slightly different interface. So you're commenting instead with the Google commenting function. So I can click. It's not in here. So on this kid's piece of work, I can just click on the commenting function here, and I can leave comments on the side. Depending on how I've set it up, I can leave marks here. This is a really nice feature. It's what I like doing as well. So once you've actually marked the assignment and you're happy with it and you've given a grade, you can give sort of a holistic comment here by typing in. The students can feedback and continue their sort of feedback around their comments of the essay. Or even I can click on the record button as well, so I can leave some sort of holistic comments here. So click on the record button, allow, and I usually have to press the top button as well, so here. And so it's recording my feedback at the moment. And I'll press stop. This is I can preview it. I have to press comment, and it adds this to the stream of comments that I've created above. There, and the student can press play to listen to those kind of comments. What's really nice is that I can decide how I want to publish this to students. So if I've marked it, given a grade, I have to press the publish button for the students to actually start seeing the feedback. So I can generally leave that till I've finished marking the whole class. So I can jump back to this step. I can publish here, and so then students can go back into the same assignment, go back and see the feedback. They can click on a little button saying view feedback to come back in and see the feedback. The other clever thing that it does is that once you've put in grades or you've put in your criteria, you can go up to Classroom's Mark Book. So you can get to this in a few different ways. And so at a glance, it's just showing me students down the side and then the records for different types of assignments they've done. And so this is Crocodoc here, so it's pulling this particular assessment thing that they did. This is pulling in the grades of the students that have completed it so far. Really nifty is I can click on this, see the mark, see that I've published it, or even jump back to the student's piece of work. So I think over time, as this mark book would be quite a useful piece of work, and that'll allow you to go through different pieces of student work to collect evidence of how they progress. And this is just the Crocodoc example.